The 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, power steering, front air conditioning, cruise control, automatic climate control, multi-zone climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.